Are you bored of being stressed out, maxed out, never getting to the end of your to-do list, constantly being distracted by people? If you are, then you might be considering giving up this whole myth of multitasking and actually starting uni-tasking. If you haven't heard, let me bring you quickly up to speed. So we might think that we can multitask, but it's not actually true because our attention can only be in one place at a time, particularly the cognitive thinking part of our brain. So think about when you're trying to listen to two conversations at once. You can't do it, can you? You have to tune into one and then the other. And it's for this reason that we're not actually very good at multitasking. When you're multitasking, what you're actually doing is task switching. And the studies have proven this affects our performance by up to 40%. It takes longer to complete tasks, so we lose about 2 hours a day, and it activates our stress response. And who needs more stress? So for all of these reasons, if you want to do your best work and reduce stress, you're actually much better off unitasking, i.e. focusing on one thing at a time. Now, if you're excited about that, you might be thinking, where do I start? So I've actually developed a habits handrail, which is going to help you implement unitasking in your workplace. Let me quickly walk you through what habits looks like. So first of all, we're going to look at H is for healthy. And actually that's looking at getting into the healthy part of the stress curve. So some people think they thrive on stress, but what they're really talking about is a healthy level of pressure where we perform optimally. And if you have kind of flipped over the edge into being totally maxed out, we don't prioritize particularly well. So H is for understanding where you are on that stress curve and getting yourself to a healthy part of it. Then we're going to look at our attention. So we spend a lot of our time distracted, whether it's externally or just our own minds. So we'll look at how we can actually focus and refocus our attention when we get distracted. B is for be in one place, i.e. start unitasking. And the best way to do that is to prioritize what your high value task is. So we'll look at how we can prioritize high value and high impact tasks. Then we'll look at interferences, which is maybe not a very flattering way of referring to the people around us and the things that distract us. And we'll look at how we can actually start to sort of fly in formation, do team unitasking, and how we can get people to feel a bit more self-reliant so that we're not constantly being distracted all the time. Then we'll look at train hard, fight easy. So if you want to unitask when the pressure cranks up, it's much easier to do that if that's an automatic habit. Train hard, fight easy. We'll look at how we do that. And then we'll look at setting the conditions. So it's not just you that benefits from unitasking, it's everybody. So we'll look at how you can roll this out and embed unitasking across your culture. So I'll see you back here for the next video where we'll look at H, healthy levels of pressure. See you in the next video. Bye.